going. What was that? That looked like somebody's behind. Whoa. You're getting close.
Annie.
Terrorizing the dog.
I can't believe how real it swims. Realistically, it swims.
Shadows hiding behind your mom's leg.
Yeah, she's down on the floor.
She's as far back.
Turn it around.
She
I
can
want to
go.
see around.
Just like a real fish.
There we go. Wah, 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 wah.
Needs a little more space.
Yes, does. Needs to be outside and fresh
We
air.
can't be outside.
Really, at all?
It'll go away. It'll fly into the woods.
Oh.
You'll lose control of it at 40 feet. It's
Oh, well.
It's got to be inside.
Okay, now it's too much glare from the light.